In this tutorial I will show you how to create a mock-up design in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Quick Selection tool. Selection the area. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100%. Alt-press Create a clipping mask. Change the blending option to Multiply. Right-click and choose the blending option. Alt-press Move. Follow the process. Press OK. Select the image layer. Go to Quick Selection tool. Selection the jeans area. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color. Press OK. Change the blending option to Multiply. Go to Quick Selection tool. Selection the shirt area. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color. Press OK. Change the blending option to Multiply. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.